Go ahead.
Hi.
Hi guys, this is James Cazares, and I will be presenting to you guys about wind and water becoming current. So in this video here, these red dots represent the warm water. This straw represents the wind. It's supposed to be circulating in an easterly direction like so. And yes, a gyre does consist of both hot and cold water. So the North Atlantic gyre, it consists of both hot and cold water, and they circulate. This happens when the hot meets the cold water, and the hot water will circulate higher, and then the cold water will circulate below it, because hot water rises and the cold water does not rise. Now you may be thinking, why do I need to know about this? Well, it does affect humans' livelihood, and that's because a lot of ocean pollution gets stuck in the gyre and is trapped, can't get out. And so when the ocean life goes and ingests all the plastic and rocks and stuff like that, and then we catch the fish, then we eat it, we too are ingesting our once used plastic pollution. So the relationship between the global winds and the ocean currents is that when you have big gusts of global wind, you're gonna affect how the ocean currents move, which is how gyres are created, because the winds are going in a circular motion to circulate all the hot and cold air. A specific example of this isn't a gyre, by the way, of the equatorial regions is they all, as you can see, have warm water. And another thing that you can notice is that there's no gyres next to the equator, but that's because there's nothing circulating there. And to have a gyre, you need to have something circulating, but all that's going on is wind going from east to west or north to south, but it's at different time periods. So, an example of an ocean current that is not blocked by continents is this southern area right here. And as you can see in my less beautiful picture, this southern area, the southern ocean current, travels from west to east, and it does not circulate, meaning there's no gyre. And it goes all the way from this area, the western area of Antarctica, all the way to the eastern area of Antarctica. It goes all the way around. And as you can also see, with there being no gyres, that means that the wind just goes back and forth. It doesn't circulate at all.